Okay, now we're just going to put the valve back together. Alright, all I did was took the rotary switch, which is what this is, epoxied it to this shaft. This is your different pieces. All you do basically is just put your wires through. A little tricky sometimes to get them to line up right, but it usually works pretty good. Okay, just run them through like that. You can see the wire. Pull it through. Then just slide your shaft down in. Okay. That's the way it seats back in there. Then you put this compression nut on. Then you put the smaller compression nut with the washers. Slide it in. Tighten it up. Then your handle. Screw it all down. I'll get it tighter later, but I don't know if you can hear this, but that's it. That's your switch. Now what I would advise doing when using the epoxy, I've used epoxy for a lot of different things. And what I used to use was this here. Gorilla Glue is good glue. But you don't end up getting as much in it. So what I use now is just I got it at Lowe's, I believe. It's just a two bottle mixture. Doesn't cost a whole lot more than that does, but there's a whole lot more in it. And, you know, I've used this a lot. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot of it missing. So basically, that's it. Now what I would do here too is when you go to wire it, I would run the main wire all the way through. All the way through both sides. Whatever length you need to get to the top of your lamp, to the socket. And then I would find one of the wires, barely cut into the outside covering, and attach this. Solder it, or you could shrink tube it, tape it. Do the same thing on the other side, leaving your wire running all the way through. Just make sure that you have the same wire on both sides. Sometimes there's printing on one of those two wires. Sometimes there's a little ridge on the wire that you can't see very well, but you can feel it. So when you feel that ridge, just make sure that you use your two wires on the same wire. These two connected to the same wire running through the covering. And that's basically it. And then we'll put it all together here in one of the next segments.